This is CNBC's live blog covering European markets. European markets are heading for a mixed start to the new trading week Monday. Regional markets closed higher last week as investors digested a number of central banks' policy decisions in Europe. U.S. stock futures were slightly lower Monday morning ahead of March's last, and shortened, trading week. The market is on track for its fifth consecutive month of gains, with the major U.S. stock benchmarks crossing new all-time closing high levels last week. Asia-Pacific markets were mixed on Monday as investors awaited inflation reports from Singapore, Malaysia and Australia this week. Markets are still red-hot even after a very good 2023, when the S&P 500 soared around 24%. The S&P 500 is up around 10% year-to-date, and in fact hit new record highs in March. Many stocks have soared and even beaten the broader market, but is there still room for some companies to run? Using FactSet, CNBC Pro screened the S&P 500 and the Vanguard FTSE All-World ex-US ETF for stocks that are beating the market so far this year, and that analysts love. Just 5 stocks turned up from the S&P 500 screen. CNBC Pro subscribers can read more here. Markets are red hot, and investors might be wondering what they can buy right now. On top of that, some are calling for investors to move out of cash if rates do fall. If you had a spare $1 million to invest right now, what should you buy? CNBC Pro asked fund managers and wealth advisors how they would allocate their portfolios with that money. Recommendations range from tech to AI's power needs, and a stock portfolio for the moderately aggressive investor. CNBC Pro subscribers can read more here. European markets are set to open in mixed territory Monday. The UK's FTSE 100 index is expected to open 8 points lower at 7,925. Germany's DAX up 18 points at 18,231. France's CAC 5 points higher at 8,155 and Italy's FTSE MIB up 26 points at 33,813, according to data from IG. Data releases include UK fourth quarter gross domestic product figures.